In this video, you're going to learn why Shiba Inu is dropping, what's going on, where could be a bottom. I'll compare it with Dogecoin history and it repeats the same patterns as I showed you many times. Also, technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's why, before we start, I ask you to push like, to subscribe, because my friends, I told all of you that Shiba Inu pumped so much, and at this moment it is time to cool down. And those of you that saw my previous video, write in the comments, yes, you told that. And you can say thank you, because many of you booked profit, and at this moment you watch on this pullback and you can buy it cheaper. Think about it. Let's start. First, about Shiba Inu, as I told all of you, on previous video, I told my friends that Shiba Inu pumped so much and it is time to book your profit. And Shiba Inu, do you see that after that big range breakout, Shiba Inu rise by 1000%. Once more, why it is so difficult for you to understand that there are people that bought it at bottom during that range? Because take a look. On TradingView, there are beautiful indicator that calls visible range. You open visible range, and what does it shows to you? It shows to you places where people accumulate biggest amount of volume. And imagine that during all history of trades on Binance, biggest volume, my friends, exactly in this range. That means hedge fund, institutional investors, all of them, if they had desired to buy a lot of Shiba, million, billion, they did it. And what's the reason why Shiba Inu is dropping at this moment? Because imagine people that bought Shiba exactly in the middle of that range. What's going on? They made more than 1000%. And imagine you put 1 million, you can take out 10 millions. Would you take at least part of that money? Of course you would take. That's how professionals do. And that's the reason why Shiba Inu is dropping. And for most of you, when you follow some bloggers and they tell, I'm all in Shiba, Shiba will change internet. I saw it many times, and it always ends up that retail, dump traders end up with losing money. Stop doing it. For what we did, for all of you to stop doing it. Below this video there would be a link. I invite you to join our free workshop where I'll teach you how to analyze market properly, how to do analysis as I do, how to spot where market would rise, and how to get out before retails would be trapped. That's why do it, link below description. About Shiba Inu, after this big rise, as I told you, I expect that Shiba Inu should make bigger pullback. Why it's so important for Shiba Inu? Because my friends, bigger pullback, like 66%, Shiba Inu could repeat same history as Dogecoin did. Take a look on Dogecoin. Dogecoin, if you saw Dogecoin history, what Dogecoin did? Dogecoin also broke a big range many times. And if you would take a look on all situations on Dogecoin, what would you see? Take a look. Take a look on this situation. After big pump, what happened to Dogecoin? 52% pullback, big pullback. Take a look after this pump on Dogecoin. What happened to Dogecoin, my friends? 74% pullback. Take a look here, 52% pullback. Take a look here, 64% pullback. Take a look here on this situation, 72% pullback. Take a look from this to this, 73% pullback. From this to this, 120 rise, and from this local high, I remember that high, it was Coinbase listing, and also a lot of people at that time. So, oh, Coinbase listing, it must be Dogecoin would rise to $1 USD. Yes, would rose, minus 62%. And after big pullback, it rise up. The same on Shiba. Don't buy it. Don't buy it after such pump. Buy it after deep pullback. That's why my recommendation for you, when you see minus 60% on Shiba from its all-time high or local high, after that you can enter, because possibilities that you will make money would be much bigger. That's it. Use this secret approach that I showed to you. again, if you like such update, push like, follow me to get more updates in the future. Let's do Ethereum and Dogecoin small update, and after that Ethereum. In our advanced bigger trading club, quite a few days ago, we took short on Dogecoin. I would like to share with you that short on Dogecoin. Dogecoin, take a look. Remember, when I record this video, I cannot share with you updates every few minutes. We took short here. Why? Because, my friends, during this local pump, what I don't like that Dogecoin get pumped, biggest volume appeared at high, and there is no reaction. Do you see that quite a lot of altcoins at this moment, they pump it, but after every pullback, people buy it really a lot, but Dogecoin is not. That's the reason why I don't like it, and in what case I would expect to trade Dogecoin for long, only in a case if this trend line will play out and there would be a clear trend line breakout pattern. And by the way, that trend line breakout pattern I'll show you on free workshops that I invite you, and link in the description. Okay, that's why about Dogecoin, while it is in the middle of this range, I would wait for better and clear pattern. That's it. About Ethereum, I remember a few days ago I published a video update about Ethereum. I told you about Ethereum here. It is in our Telegram channel. I record this video. By the way, that's the reason why you also should follow me on Telegram. And since that moment, what's going on? We still keep that position. I moved stop loss into break even, but what is good size and negative size of Ethereum? First one, Ethereum rise up so much from its July bottom. It rise up by 179%. And if you will take a look on Ethereum and compare it to ADA, if you compare it to ADA, take a look. ADA, do you see that ADA did the same? ADA made re-high after the 200% rise. Do you see this big range at high, and after that ADA just dropping as it do right now? What's the biggest problem of Ethereum? That I see, I scare that there would be one of two scenarios. First scenario, it is scenario of ADA, price would be in a range here, and after that it can drop. Honestly, I would be much happier if there would be this scenario, as Ethereum did in March and April and start of May. It calls acceleration, it calls culmination. After that, in most cases, starts bear trend. And by the way, should I record a video how you can analyze and predict when bear market will start? That's why. If there would be such acceleration and rise, for example, to 6, 7, 8,000, and especially like here, really fast during 2 weeks, that would be a signal that bear market is soon. That's it. That's why, once more, we keep our long trade stop loss at break even, and at this moment I wait how price would continue this uptrend, because if there would be no continue, and instead of rise, price would come back to trend line squeeze, there could be breakdown. And the last one, it is a Bitcoin update, my friends. As I promised to all of you, our all father Bitcoin. I recorded a special video to our community here today, to our Advanced Bigger Trading Club. And I told to people that at this moment, Bitcoin with huge possibility would make some pullback, because take a look. Below the, take a look what's going on in a footprint. Do you see that yesterday, 62, 500 Bitcoins. Here also additional 250 Bitcoins. After that, take a look. When Ethereum, when Bitcoin broke trend line, big volume appeared exactly at high. Honestly, it is not good signal. Why? Because take a look. While if Bitcoin broke this trend line, big volume appeared exactly here. And at this moment, instead of continue of our price made this pullback. It is a signal that market is weak at this moment. And I would prefer to wait, because take a look, Bitcoin exactly in the middle of this range. Honestly, it is not the best time to buy it. Why? Because take a look, Bitcoin in a range only 14 days. Compare it to here, 24 days range. Compare it here, 31-day range. Compare it to this global range, 64 days, and this local days, 30 days. That means Bitcoin, after big movement as it did here in October, could be in a range for much bigger period of time, for example 1-2 months. That's it. And at this moment it's not enough to continue that bull run. That's why I wait that I think range could continue, and I wait for better patterns. Friends, once more, I invite you to join our free crypto workshop if you are interested to be in our advanced bigger trading club, where I share such updates on daily basis. Below there will be contacts. Join, my team will send you all info. See you.